Hello, my name is Ruth Gilbert and I'm the Chief Exec of the Career Colleges Trust, which is a national charity working with Coleg Gwent and working nationally to improve the life and work prospects of young people. Now, how do we do that? We work with educators and employers to develop sector specialist education. And here today at Coleg Gwent, we are talking about pioneering work in Wales, the first career colleges in Wales in Digitech and in healthcare, to really help young people to make informed choices and be ready for the world of work. We've got Amazon Web Services here today, we've got the DVLA who've both pledged support with projects for students at Coleg Gwent.
I am really enthused by the initiative. I think it's it's part of what we're trying to do in the health service anyway. We're trying to look at the widening access agenda. We've got a lot of skill shortages in our sector, so this fits directly in with that. So, getting to young people early, giving them the skills that they need to be employed, so employability, that's really, really important from an employer's perspective. So this sits right at the heart of my agenda because I'm the Director of Workforce for the Health Board.
So the very first project we really got involved with was around getting some young people from career colleges excited about a career in tech and the type of roles that are available in tech. So we took them to the Amazon Fashion Studios a few years ago. And what we really learned from that was really around how these one-off projects are great, but it's really about continuing with that enthusiasm with young people.
We need to get our young people understanding what they need when they're coming into the world of work. They need the appropriate skills, and the emphasis on digital skills is really, really important because that is the world of work. And certainly in healthcare, if you haven't got the necessary digital skills, you will be struggling in terms of employability.
We've had a fantastic event supported by loads of employers, all of whom have heard about the work of the Career College Trust and are now going to move forward and support the work of the college. The initiative is all about developing an employer-led curriculum and making sure that young people are better prepared for the world of work. If you like what you've heard and read about the work of the Trust and what the college is planning to do, and you've not been able to be with us this afternoon, then it's not too late to still make a pledge. Visit our website and let us know what it is that you can do to support this valuable work with young people. Thank you.